Google I/O event takes place every year in California, and Google never fails to impress us with new amazing features and updates. This year in I/O 2018, Google has announced Android P Beta and new updates in Virtual Assistant. There is no doubt that artificial intelligence and machine learning was the forefront of this event. The event was 2 hours long, but we have got your back. Here is the just 7 minutes keynote summary of Google I/O 2018. But before that, make sure you subscribe to Moviesium and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started. First is Gmail. Google recently rolled out some major design changes in Gmail, and now they are using AI features in Gmail. They call it Smart Compose. This feature will help you suggesting words and phrases while you're typing an email. This feature also predicts usual text such as address, contact number, email IDs, name, etc. while you are typing an email. This is nothing but a predictive texting which you see in your mobile phone keyboard. Next is Google Photos. Again, in Google Photos, Google is making the use of artificial intelligence. In Google Photos, there is a new feature called as Suggested Actions. This feature will help you suggest some action based on the object in the image. For example, you took a pic of your friend in any party. Now Google Photos will recognize the face of your friend and it will suggest you to share those pics with your friend. Isn't that cool? Also in Google Photos now you will be able to convert black and white photos into color photos. And there are some other features like color pop-up, hue, saturation, etc. The most amazing feature in Google Photos is that now you will be able to convert any document into PDF in no time. That is just amazing. You don't need any cam scanner or any third-party app now. Next is Google Assistant. I just want to say one thing. Google nailed it. Google has added 6 different voices in Google Assistant, which also includes the voice of John Legend, which is just like cherry on the cake.
A type of North African semolina in granules made from crushed durum wheat.
Google Assistant is getting completely new interface in Android and iOS with some food delivery actions which includes KFC, Domino's, Starbucks, etc. Also, now you don't have to say hey Google, okay Google, which was really irritating again and again. You can just have follow-up continued conversation with Google Assistant just like Alexa.
Did the Warriors win?
Yes, the Warriors won 118-92 last Sunday against the Pelicans.
Nice. When's their next game?
The Warriors' next game is today at 7:30 p.m., where they will be playing the Pelicans.
Great. It's going to be fun to watch tonight. Hey, remind me to find my Kevin Durant jersey when I get home.
Sure, I'll remind you when you get home.
Wait, it doesn't end here. Google Assistant can do some real-life tasks like calling people in the back end for setting up appointments and meetings.
How can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a woman's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15.
Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.?
Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for?
Just a woman's haircut for now.
Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
Now that is what I call the real-life assistant. Google Assistant just left Siri, Alexa and other virtual assistant behind with this feature. Next is Google Map. There are 2 new major features in Google Map. First, Google is using the augmented reality in Google Map. There is a Google Map camera which when you open will show you instantly where you are. It feels like a walking navigation.
You open the camera.
And then there is a For You section which uses machine learning. It recommends and suggests you restaurants and clubs nearby based on the ratings and reviews of your friends. Now let's dive into Android P. The first feature in Android P is gesture navigation. Google has said goodbye to 3 navigation buttons. Now it's time to say hi to gesture navigation, which is nothing but the iPhone X like gestures. Also, Android P will not only show you apps, but action within the apps. Next is Adaptive Brightness, which uses again artificial intelligence to understand the brightness level you use on different apps, and then it adjusts the brightness level according to user preferences. Another feature is Android Dashboard, which shows you how often do you use your phone, how much time do you spend on your phone, how often do you unlock your phone, which app do you use the most, and other user behaviors. Google has also redefined their DND features. A new feature is called as Shush. When you flip your phone over, this feature will be automatically activated and you won't get any ping messages or any other type of distractions. Finally, we have Google Lens, which will be in the main camera app of Google Pixel, Xiaomi, OnePlus, LG and some more devices. There is a new feature in Google Lens known as Smart Text Selection, which means Google Lens will now be able to detect the text from book or any documents and you can copy paste that text anywhere. This feature is just amazing.
Now connect the words you see with the answers and actions you need. So you can do things like copy and paste from the real world directly into your phone. Just like that. Or let's say you're looking at, or you can turn a page of words into a page of answers. So for example, you're looking at a restaurant menu. You can quickly tap around, figure out every dish, what it looks like, what are all the ingredients, etc.
So all I have to say is Google is making the complete use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop some new features. I think 2018 is going to be the year of virtual assistant. So we are going to compare all major virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri, Cortana, Google in our next video. So make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to Moviesium. Also, let me know in the comment section which feature you like the most. Till then, stay tuned, see you in the next video.